In this video, we're going to go over a brief introduction to cinemagraphs. Based on the handout, you'll know that you had to shoot it horizontally and that you want your camera to be completely fixed when you're taking it. And really don't take more than a couple of seconds. Make sure it's an action that ends where it started. Okay, so once you've done that movie, and you're going to go ahead and go import video frames to layers. I'm going to select an earlier one. And you have a couple of options when you import it. If you've already edited it down in, let's say, QuickTime, then you would select import from beginning to end. But if you're changing it and want to do that editing, then you're going to move these little sliders and it will then go selected range only. I'm going to go ahead and go from beginning to end because I have already edited it this one. If your timeline, which is here at the bottom, isn't visible, go up to Window, Timeline. And the other thing you need to be visible is your layers palette. So those two items need to be visible. Next, over here in the layers palette, I'm going to select layer 2, then hold down the shift key, scroll up to the top layer, select that one, which basically selects all but the first layer. In the little pop-out menu, new group from layers. Say OK. Now I'm going to click on the bottom layer, and under Unify, I'm going to click on Unify Layer Visibility. You may or may not get this dialog box. Just click Match. Now click on Group 1, and using the lasso tool, press and drag around the area that you want to show movement in. You can change this later on, but it's easiest to make a good selection initially. Once you've done that, at the bottom of the layers palette, the little mask icon, which is the square with the circle in it, click on that, and now hit play, and you should be able to see movement happening within just that one window. Please use your handout for any additional information.